Today we're breaking down something every homeowner, designer, or DIYer should know: the difference between glass tile and porcelain tile. Whether you're planning a backsplash, pool, shower, or just love great design, this video will make choosing a lot easier. First off, these are very different materials. Porcelain tile is made from clay and natural elements that are fired at high heat, making it dense, strong, and low in water absorption. It's why porcelain is a go-to choice for wet areas and high-traffic surfaces. Glass tile, on the other hand, is exactly what it sounds like, made from glass. That means it's reflective, luminous, and ideal for adding brightness to a space, especially water features like pools or backsplashes where you want that shimmering effect. Aesthetics are a big part of the decision. Glass tile has that translucent glow. Light actually penetrates and reflects through it, giving it depth and shine you just can't get from porcelain. Porcelain tiles are incredible too. They come in tons of patterns, colors, sizes, and finishes. They can mimic stone, wood, concrete, and hold up beautifully for floors and walls. When it comes to durability, porcelain is tougher underfoot, more scratch-resistant, and less likely to break when something heavy drops on it. That's why it's a popular choice for floors, patios, and high-traffic areas. Glass tiles are water-resistant and excellent around moisture, but can be more prone to chips or scratches depending on where they're installed. That's not a deal breaker, just something to plan for, especially on floors. So when should you choose one over the other? Glass tile is a great choice when you want light, color, and visual impact. It really shines in places like backsplashes, feature walls, and pool water lines. Anywhere you want that luminous, reflective look that adds depth and movement to the space. Porcelain tile, on the other hand, is your go-to for durability and coverage. It works beautifully on floors, patios, bathrooms, and larger surface areas where strength, longevity, and versatility matter most. At the end of the day, it's not about one being better than the other. It's about choosing the material that fits how you want the space to look, feel, and perform. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit like and subscribe for more design tips and material insights. And if you're still deciding which tile is right for your next project, drop a comment. We'd love to help. Bring paradise home with AquaBluMosaics.com.